and welcome to High Street Community Centre. I'm Sarah from the Strathfield Library and I'm here today to teach you how to use our wonderful book lockers. In 3 easy steps, you can borrow and return your items. Shall we get started? To reserve your items online using the Spiders app, simply click, log on with your library card number, and go to Discover, search, and type in whatever book you would like. Simply click Reserve, select which book locker you'd like to collect it at, confirm. To collect your items using the QR code, simply scan the QR code at the scanner. This will register your account and pop open the locker containing your reservations. Simply open the locker door, collect your reservations, close the door, and off you go. To return your items, simply click Return, scan the barcode at the front of the book, scan more barcodes if you have any, click Finish Scanning, and simply pop your books in the returns. Once you've done this, your books will automatically come off your library account. Thank you for learning how to use our innovative book lockers. We hope you love them as much as we do. Have a great day.